Hey Lazy Girl Approved fam, I am back with another wig review. Today it's just a one, and this time it is Zury Sis. The style is Abby, and the color is 3TF Pink. And it's called Free Shift. It says Free Shift on there. I'm not quite sure. Maybe that it means you can move the part. I don't know. We shall see. Let me get her out of the package and we'll see what she's looking like. Okay. Here is her card. It looks like it is a 5-inch deep lace hand-tied part. So let's get her on, or let's show you what she looks like and then get her on. So she's got the dark roots and, you know, throughout some, I don't know what they call that when it's not highlights, but I don't know, I'm not a hairdresser. All right, and then you've got two combs in the front, and you've got that lace part there, and then there's a one comb in the back. So let's get her on. See what we got. Oh, she's tight. Oh, I can tell you right now, this is not big head friendly. Whoa. She's super tight. And that's saying a lot because my head is small. Whoa. She's cute though. So she's got room as far as bulk, but around she's just super tight. Ooh, I see why she didn't sell as well. Like there was still a bunch of her left over or available on the sites I saw. She's pretty though. She's definitely pretty. She's got that just right amount of curl for me, for my taste. She definitely needs some part work, and I wouldn't say it's a super realistic looking there, but I've seen worse. And it's a pretty, you know, the part isn't plucked or anything. Definitely needs some dry shampoo. She's shiny at the root, but I do like the color blending. It makes it look way more realistic. I could see somebody might think this is my hair if I put some powder in there. She's pretty soft. She's much softer than I thought she would be. I like this color. It's like it's pink, but it's not pink. It's like it's got blondes and pinks, and it's like a rose goldish color. So let's get a 360 of her and see what we think. Shall we? Okay, seeing her in the 360, I actually like her on me. Sometimes the color, or actually it's sometimes the color, but it's also usually the way that the curl lays. Like I've gotten some from Amazon where the curl's just too big, or the density is not thick enough. I feel like this is just right. It's not too thick where it looks fake, but it's not too thin where it also looks fake. So I think I like her. I'll definitely get some powder in this part and see what she's looking like after that, but this is a Lazy Girl approved thumbs up for sure. All you gotta do is put some powder in that part. And technically you could wear it out like this. It's not super obvious or horrible here. It's just, you know, could be improved. But I think that this is cute, super, super cute. So Lazy Girl approved, thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And as always, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.